Do you find yourself tossing and turning at night, only to wake up feeling just as tired as when you went to bed? You're not alone, and it might be time to rethink your bedtime routine. In this video, you'll discover a proven bedtime routine that can transform your sleep quality and help you wake up feeling revitalized. But before we get started, please take just a moment to mash that like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the little notification bell to receive notifications when new videos are posted. Thank you. This really helps our channel reach more people with our life-improving videos. Now on to today's topic about creating a perfect bedtime routine. Many people face challenges falling asleep or staying asleep, leading to fatigue and decreased productivity the next day. If you're someone who lies awake for hours, staring at the ceiling, you know how frustrating it can be. You're not alone. Millions of people worldwide struggle with sleep disorders. In fact, research shows that about 30% of the general population experiences insomnia or other sleep disorders. It's no wonder that so many of us feel tired and groggy in the morning. Lack of quality sleep can have serious consequences on our physical and mental health. We become sluggish, irritable, and less productive, which can affect our relationships, work performance, and overall well-being. The consequences of poor sleep can be far-reaching. Chronic fatigue can lead to depression, anxiety, and even cardiovascular disease. It's clear that getting a good night's sleep is essential for our health and happiness. But the question remains, how can we achieve this elusive goal? We've all tried different techniques, from counting sheep to drinking warm milk, but what really works? The key to a great night's sleep lies in creating a consistent bedtime routine. By establishing a calming pre-sleep ritual, we can signal to our body that it's time to wind down and prepare for a restful night's sleep. In this video, we'll explore the key elements of a successful bedtime routine, including setting a sleep schedule, creating a calming environment, and incorporating relaxation techniques. These simple yet powerful habits can make all the difference in the quality of your sleep. Setting a sleep schedule is crucial for regulating our body's internal clock. By going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, we can train our body to fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. This may require some adjustments, especially on weekends, but the payoff is worth it. A consistent sleep schedule can improve the quality of our sleep and increase our energy levels during the day. Creating a calming environment is also essential for a good night's sleep. This means creating a sleep-conducive atmosphere that promotes relaxation and reduces stress. We can do this by turning off electronic devices, dimming the lights, and maintaining a comfortable room temperature. By creating a peaceful ambiance, we can calm our minds and prepare our body for sleep. Incorporating relaxation techniques into our bedtime routine can also have a profound impact on our sleep quality. Activities like Christian meditation, deep breathing, and progressive muscle relaxation can help calm our minds and relax our bodies. These techniques can be done in just a few minutes, but they can make a huge difference in the quality of our sleep. The most effective part of this routine is the wind-down period, where you can engage in activities that signal to your body it's time to sleep, such as reading or meditating. This is a great opportunity to unplug from the world and focus on relaxation. By doing so, we can slow down our heart rate, lower our blood pressure, and calm our minds. During this wind-down period, it's essential to disconnect from electronic devices. The blue light emitted from screens can suppress melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. Instead, choose a calming activity that promotes relaxation and reduces stress. You can try reading a book, listening to soothing music, or practicing gentle stretches. The wind-down period is also an excellent time to practice gratitude. Take a few minutes to reflect on your day, thanking God for the things you're thankful for. This can help shift your focus away from stress and anxiety and towards positivity and relaxation. By incorporating these simple habits into your bedtime routine, you can significantly improve the quality of your sleep. You'll wake up feeling refreshed, revitalized, and ready to take on the day. By following this simple yet powerful bedtime routine, you can significantly improve your sleep quality and feel more refreshed each morning. If you found this video helpful, Be sure to leave a comment with your thoughts and subscribe for more tips on improving your sleep and overall well-being.